Hello, APSC PYQA Part C Year 2009 Question number 53 to 80 लो paper 1 General Studies लो आपलोगों को स्वागतम. Question number 53. What is the date of the Third Battle of Panipat? A. AD 1951, B. AD 1961, C. AD 1761, D. 1861. The correct answer is C. AD 1661. Question number 54. Which act transferred power from the company to the crown in India? A. Act of 1861, B. Act of 1892, C. Act of 1858, D. Act of 1853. The correct answer is C. Act of 1858. Question number 55. The first railway line in India was laid in A. 1852, B. 1853, C. 1857, D. 1885. The correct answer is B. 1853. Question number 56. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was given by A. Chandrasekhar Azad, B. Muhammad Iqbal, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is B. Muhammad Iqbal. Question number 57. Which of the following events can be ascribed to the year 1919? A. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, B. Partition of Bengal, C. Permanent settlement of Bengal, C. D. Subsidiary alliance. The correct answer is A. Jallianwala Bagh in massacre. Question number 58. In 1862, the Treaty of Yandabu was signed by which of the British practically occupied Assam from Burmese? In which year was Burma annexed by the British? A. 1837, B. 1826, C. 1864, D. 1891. The correct answer is C. 1864. Question number 59. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Muhammad Iqbal, B. Sarath Chandra Chatterjee, C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, D. Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 60. The earliest historical dynasty of Assam was that of the A. Palas, B. Varmans, C. Narakas, D. Selastambas. The correct answer is B. Varmans. Question number 61. The first tea company established in Assam was A. Jorhat Tea Company, B. Assam Company, C. Assam Bengal Tea Company, D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Assam Company. Question number 62. The Indian National Congress was founded during the viceroyalty of A. Lord Canning, B. Lord Dufferin, C. Lord Amherst, D. Lord Curzon. The correct answer is B. Lord Dufferin. Question number 63. Do or die was the slogan during A. The Swadeshi movement, B. Non-cooperation movement, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. The Quiet India movement. The correct answer is D. The Quit India movement. Question number 64. Which of the following land settlement system was followed in Assam? A. Rayowari, B. Jamindari, C. Mahalwari, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Rayotwari. Question number 65. A. O. Hume was A. Scientist, B. Social worker, C. Civil servant, D. Military commander. The correct answer is C. Civil servant. Question number 66. Capital of British India was shifted to Delhi in the year 1908, B. 1911, C. 1937, D. 1947. The correct answer is B. 1911. Question number 67. Indian National Army was headed by A. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, B. General Kiripati, A.Z. Khan, D. M. N. Roy. The correct answer is A. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 68. The Swadeshi movement started during A. Anti-Bengal partition movement, B. Non-cooperation movement, C. Civil disobedience movement, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Anti-Bengal partition movement. Question number 69. If the deepest parts of the ocean are about 10 kilometers and the radius of the earth is about 6,400 kilometers, then the depth of the ocean was represent what percentage of the earth radius? A. Less than 1%, B. Less than 5%, C. About 5%, C. About 10%, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Less than 1%. Question number 70. How are latitude and longitude lines drawn on the globe of the earth? A. Latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the equator. B. Longitude lines are parallel and latitude lines meet at the equator. C. Latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the poles. D. The longitude lines are parallel and latitude lines meet at the poles. The correct answer is C. Latitude lines are parallel and longitude lines meet at the poles. Question number 71. Which radioactive isotope is most useful for nuclear power generation? A. Uranium-238, B. Uranium-235, C. Carbon-14, D. Rubidium-87. The correct answer is A. Uranium-238. Question number 72. The third most abundant gas in the atmosphere is A. Argon, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Helium, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is A. Argon. Question number 73. Where is the headquarters of WTO? A. New York, B. Geneva, C. Rome, D. Paris. The correct answer is B. Geneva. Question number 74. Who authored the book India from Midnight to Millennium? A. Khushwant Singh, B. Mira Nair, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Arun Jaitley. The correct answer is C. Shashi Tharoor. Question number 75. The first regular census in India was carried out in the year A. 1861, B. 1881, C. 1901, D. 1911. The correct answer is B. 1881. Question number 76. Who was the first Secretary General of UNO? A. Dag Hammarskjöld. B. U Thant. C. Trygve. D. Xavier Perich. D. Fuller. The correct answer is C. Trygve. Question number 77. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research is located at A. Tromboi. B. Kalpakkam. C. Tarapur. D. Jaduguda. The correct answer is B. Kalpakkam. Question number 78. The Bakra Dam is located in A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Haryana. C. Punjab. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Himachal Pradesh. Question number 79. Which planet takes more time to complete one rotation on its axis than to complete one revolution around the sun? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. The correct answer is B. Venus. Question number 80. Who chairs the Planning Commission in India? A. Here option kita yate diya nai jodio moi koi disu. A. The President of India. B. The Vice President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. None of the above. The correct answer is the Prime Minister of India. Next page pai jabo apnaloke. Thank you for watching my video.